What's the meaning of assembler? Assembler. Assembler.
Assembler. Assembler. An assembler is a computer program that translates assembly language, which is a low-level programming language, into machine code, which can be executed directly by a computer's CPU. Assembler programs are often used to create software for embedded systems and other specialized applications where maximum efficiency and control over hardware resources is required. The result of an assembler program is a binary executable file that can be run on the target hardware, allowing the programmer to control the behavior of the machine at a very low level.